The vaccine war between US and China was real. US ran a psychological campaign against the Chinese vaccine. Viral report on Pentagon's role in undermining the vaccine of China. The United States Department of Defense allegedly ran a psychological operation across the social media platforms with the aim of undermining confidence in the Chinese-manufactured COVID-19 vaccines. This controversial campaign spanned over a year, continuing in the both presidency of Trump and Biden administration despite objections from some US government officials. According to an investigation by the Reuters news agency, the operation initially targeted Philippines in spring 2020 when the country was heavily reliant on CoronaVac vaccine produced by the Chinese company Sinovac Biotech. The vaccine had been approved for the use by the World Health Organization. However, the Pentagon attempted to discredit the efficacy of the Chinese vaccine in order to sabotage relations between China and the Philippines. This is according to the report. Over the time, the effort evolved into a broader anti-vaccine campaign that raised doubt about the quality of Chinese COVID-19 test kits, face masks and other medical supplies too. This psychological operation utilized hundreds of fake social media accounts across multiple platforms promoting the hashtag Chinang virus, which means China is the virus in tag along. Social media posts argued that the coronavirus originated in China and the Chinese-made medical supplies could not be trusted. By early 2021, the campaign had expanded to the Middle East and Central Asia too. Some posts falsely claimed that Sinovac vaccine contains pork gelatin, suggesting that Muslims must not take it as it violates the Islamic law. These tactics raised concern from officials at the US State Department who objected to meeting with the Pentagon. Greg Treverton, a former chairman of the National Intelligence Council, which aligns intelligence work with government policies, stated that getting as much as vaccine in people's arms as possible would have served US national interest better. He said that Pentagon's secret operation crossed a line, while a senior Pentagon official acknowledged a psychological operation that was launched to disparage China's vaccine in the developing world. They declined to provide further details. The controversial campaign was ultimately terminated in June 2021. The revelation highlights how the geopolitical rivalry and tensions between the US and China spilled over to public health efforts during the COVID-19 pandemic, as per this report. Rather than promoting widespread vaccination, the Pentagon allegedly prioritized undermining the Chinese vaccine in a coveted operation and influence across social media.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.